Alright, upgrading here, get my new, to me, 2020 lift. Right there, MT 1500. And I picked up my local place. We'll give a shout out to the company as long as they're okay with it. But I'm going out and revealing the lift that I'm getting ready to unbox. There's my old lift underneath one of my customers' bikes. And I come out here. And there they are in the crate. Went down. I'm in the high desert, California. I went down to actually Chino, California, so not too far away. And I got the lift there, and I got the extensions for the sides for the quads, but it makes good for a table. I had no problem in my pickup truck picking it up. It's a 1,000 or 1,500 pound capability lift. And once I get this beast out of the back with my cherry picker and pick it up and get it out, I will uncrate it and send you guys some more videos. Thanks.